What's up guys? This is Game Tech Savage, your channel for gaming, technology, and savagery. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your laptops and PCs look awesome using live wallpaper, like this one. So without further ado, the first thing you want to do is go to your browser. Okay? And then type in this one, or just go to the pinned link below. I'm going to pin the link below. Okay? And then click the first result. And then click start the download. So when you click this, it will start downloading, and when the downloading is done, just go to your downloads folder and double click the file. After you do so, it's going to ask you what language you want to use. Okay? For my case, I've already downloaded it and installed it in my laptop, and it's going to have a desktop shortcut like this one, and the user interface is like this. Now, if you want to set up a wallpaper, it's easy. No, just click the plus button, click open, and then choose what video you want to use as your wallpaper. For example, for me, I'm going to choose number 6. Just click it, click open, and then you can write a description for it. You can rename it. For the title, you can put some author, or just click OK. Okay, it will load. And then when the loading is done, there we go. The live wallpaper will look like this one. Okay, if you want to change it, it's very easy. It's the beautiful thing with using Lively Wallpaper, is that you can choose whatever video you like and make it as your live wallpaper, and it's so easy to use. Just go to your selected wallpaper. For example, this one. Let's go back to my previous wallpaper. Click the 3 dots and then just select set as wallpaper. And that's it. You have selected your wallpaper. And that's it. Your desktop now looks so awesome. Now, if you like the video, just click like, and do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already. See you again on my next video.